Hello, chosen ones. This is for you. Today we're looking into a powerful blueprint that can transform your life and bring an abundance of everything you've been dreaming of. You know, if you're ready to step into your true power and start attracting the life you desire, then stay tuned as we reveal how you can shift your mindset and manifest your dreams. Let's get started. The first step to abundance is understanding and owning your power. As a chosen one, you are uniquely gifted. You are connected to an infinite source of energy, creativity, and love. Recognizing this power within yourself is the foundation of all manifestation. It's essential to accept that you are deserving of the abundance the universe has in store for you. To truly own your power, you need to let go of the belief that you're not enough or that you can't achieve your dreams. Stop doubting your abilities and begin affirming your greatness. Acknowledge the unique qualities that make you who you are. Your gifts are not accidental, and the universe is constantly aligning with your energy to bring you opportunities that match your highest potential. Accept the truth that your dreams are not only possible, but are meant for you. Begin seeing yourself as worthy of success and abundance. The moment you own your worth and tap into your power, you begin to radiate energy that attracts everything you desire. The key to manifesting a life of abundance starts with changing the way you think. If your thoughts are focused on lack, you will continue to see lack in your life. If your thoughts are centered on abundance, the universe will deliver accordingly. The law of attraction is always at play, but it's your mindset that determines whether you're attracting what you want or pushing it away. Start by being mindful of your thoughts. Each time you catch yourself thinking something negative or limiting, replace it with an affirmation of abundance. For example, if you think, "I can't afford that," replace it with, "Abundance is everywhere, and money flows to me effortlessly." The more you practice this, the more natural it will feel. What you think about, you bring about. By choosing to focus on abundance, you align your frequency with the wealth, love, and success that are waiting for you. The universe is always ready to respond to your thoughts, so choose them wisely. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting abundance. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you signal to the universe that you are ready for more. The more you acknowledge and appreciate what's already in your life, the more it multiplies. Make it a daily practice to write down 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how small. Whether it's your health, the roof over your head, or a kind gesture from a stranger, gratitude amplifies your connection to the universe. It shifts your energy and brings in more positive experiences and opportunities. As you continue this practice, notice how your life starts to shift. The universe will send more things to be grateful for when it sees that you appreciate what you have. Gratitude is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It connects you with the abundance that is already on its way. Visualization is a powerful technique that aligns your energy with your desires. To manifest abundance, you must see it in your mind first. Your mind is a creative force, and by vividly imagining the life you want, you send out a strong signal to the universe that you are ready to receive it. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and visualize your ideal life. Picture yourself living in abundance, financial freedom, perfect health, loving relationships, and happiness in every area of your life. The more real and vivid you make this image, the more powerful it will be. Feel the emotions of having all of this now as you visualize, believe that what you're imagining is already on its way. Visualization not only helps create a clearer path for your goals, but it also helps you stay focused and aligned with your desires. By seeing your abundance before it manifests, you activate the law of attraction and magnetize these things into your reality. Words are powerful tools of creation. The way you speak about your life and your desires sets the tone for what the universe will deliver. As a chosen one, your words hold weight, and when you speak with intention, you manifest your dreams faster. Start using positive, empowering language in every conversation. Instead of saying, "I hope one day I will be successful," say, "I am successful and opportunities come to me effortlessly." Speak with conviction, as if what you desire is already yours. This will reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your desires. Affirmations are a great way to speak your desires into existence. Write down a few affirmations that align with your goals and repeat them daily. The more you affirm your abundance, the more you will see it show up in your life. A key aspect of manifesting abundance is understanding that everything happens in divine timing. As a chosen one, you must learn to trust that the universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you what you need at the perfect time. Patience is essential when it comes to manifestation. While you may want things to happen immediately, understand that the universe has a plan for you that's bigger than what you can see right now. Trust that everything is unfolding for your highest good, even if it doesn't seem that way in the moment. Instead of focusing on when things will happen, focus on being grateful for the journey. Celebrate the progress you've made and trust that the universe will deliver what you need when the time is right. Resistance is one of the biggest blocks to manifesting abundance. If you hold on too tightly to the outcome, or if you worry that your desires won't come true, you're sending out mixed signals to the universe. To allow abundance to flow freely into your life, you must release resistance and trust that what's meant for you is already on its way. This doesn't mean you stop working toward your goals or give up on your dreams. It means releasing the fear and doubt that can keep you stuck. Surrender control and allow the universe to work its magic. When you let go of resistance, you create space for miracles to unfold. Trust that everything you want is already on its way, even if you can't see it yet. The more you let go of control, the faster your desires will manifest. The energy around you influences your ability to manifest. As a chosen one, it's important to surround yourself with positive influences that support your growth and abundance. This includes the people you spend time with, the media you consume, and the environment you live in. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and encourage you. Avoid negativity and toxic environments that drain your energy. Instead, seek out places, activities, and people who inspire you to become the best version of yourself. Your external world is a reflection of your inner state, so make sure that what surrounds you aligns with your vision of abundance. Manifesting abundance isn't just about thinking and feeling, it's also about taking inspired action. As a chosen one, you are given guidance and opportunities that require action on your part. The universe will not just hand you everything without you putting in some effort. When you feel inspired to take a certain step, whether it's reaching out to someone, starting a project, or learning something new, follow through. This action is often the universe's way of guiding you toward your abundance. Trust your intuition and take that leap. The more action you take, the more momentum you build. Inspired action aligns with your highest good and will bring you closer to your goals. Take care of yourself. Self-care is crucial in manifesting abundance because when you take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health, you're sending a message to the universe that you value yourself. This alignment allows you to attract more of what you deserve. Make time every day to nourish your body, mind, and spirit. Whether it's through meditation, exercise, eating nourishing foods, or simply taking a few moments to breathe deeply, self-care helps to maintain a high vibrational frequency that attracts abundance. By making self-care a priority, you show the universe that you are ready to receive the blessings it has in store for you. Chosen one, you are ready to live a life of abundance. By following these steps, you align yourself with the universe's flow and activate the law of attraction. Trust your journey, stay focused on your desires, and know that abundance is your birthright. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, and everything you need is already on its way. If you found this message helpful and are ready to manifest the life you deserve, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content. Stay aligned, and I'll see you in the next video.